Hi, my name is Timothy Garton, and I'm going to be discussing my projects for 3D user interfaces. My project is going to be involving research that I'm doing with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. I'm going to be attempting to develop a 3D user interface that will allow a user to simulate going through a maze and recognizing chemical spills or any other type of stimuli that may prevent them from traveling a path. And I'll be looking for ways to interact with the user to provide a testing plan and a experiment plan for testing how well the interface will work. This project is a deliverable for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Research Department. Part of what I'll be doing is just the 3D interface, and in order to be able to develop the 3D interface, I've started by identifying what the actual deliverables of the project are going to be as required by the customer that I have for the program. This program is being developed for the geoscience lab and the environmental lab. Part of the proposal is that the environment must be a 3D simulation of some sort of maze. I'm going to be looking into different situations of pre-built mazes, and also looking at first-person Unreal 4 situations where I can develop my own environment and my own simulation to support either a building or a street or even just a maze that would simulate the same type of interactions. For this, I'm going to create a deliverable of the actual 3D software that the customers will go through and try to play the game and see what happens with when they see different types of simulate or different types of stimuli inside the environment. The conclusion that I'm going to attempt to draw is how effective this game is at simulating what a real model would actually produce as far as a neural network trained network, to make sure that our program is actually providing the same output that the model should. And in order to get started with this for checkpoint 1, I've gone ahead and gotten the Git program set up. I'm using Git extensions for Windows 10, and I've got my program pointing here to the Git repository that's been provided by the class. Starting soon, I'll start adding a README file, and I'll continue to upload Unreal projects so that I can begin to begin to get the software developed and be able to get a start on creating at least a base 3D environment. And through the remaining checkpoints, I'll continue to add more code and have a check-in status to be able to show that code is being written and uploaded and tasks are being accomplished in a timely manner. I'll be checking back with the future checkpoints as more is developed. Thank you.